And then across the country, more and more hospitals and healthcare systems are requiring their employees, all of them, to be vaccinated. But in Oregon and Washington, that's not happening.
Our Wayne Haverly has been digging into this issue. He joins us with efforts underway to possibly change the rules. Wayne joins us symbolically near the Interstate Bridge. And Wayne, this is really an issue for both states.
Yeah, Dan and Liz, no doubt about it. Both states having to deal with this in different ways. And it's really a hot topic right now, especially with that outbreak that we reported on yesterday at Peace Health Medical Center. And among those who contracted COVID were 4 healthcare workers. And 4 of those healthcare workers, only one of them was vaccinated. Now, at Peace Health, there is no requirement for healthcare workers to get vaccinated, and the number of vaccinated workers is around 75%, according to the medical director there. In Oregon, there's actually a state law passed in 1989 that prevents healthcare facilities from mandating any vaccinations for employees. With the Delta variant now spreading quickly, the Oregon Association of Hospitals and Healthcare Systems is now pushing the state to add a rule that would allow individual hospitals to require their employees to get vaccinated.
What hospitals propose is that each individual hospital have the prerogative to require staff to be vaccinated. So we believe that that can be done by rule without rewriting the state law and creating a statewide mandate. So what we would like to see is for an individual hospital to have the option, as every other employer does in the state of Oregon.
I checked with the Oregon Health Authority, and it doesn't appear that this will happen anytime soon, saying, quote, vaccinations are a personal choice, and add that state public health officials are committed to working with healthcare providers to vaccinate as many Oregonians as possible, including healthcare staff, so we can put the pandemic behind us once and for all. We continue to explore all other options. Now, OHA officials tell me that this would likely be a lengthy process, so it's probably not going to happen anytime soon. And here in Washington state, there is no law that prevents hospitals from putting those mandates forward. But right now, hospitals are choosing to let their own employees choose whether or not to be vaccinated. Back to you.